Hello world, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. This is 23 iCoder. Today we are going to learn how to do the linear search in Java. So what is linear search? Linear search or sequential search is a method for finding a target value within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list for the target value until a match is found or until the elements have been searched. So for example, if we have a value of 33 to find in this array of numbers, so a linear search is going to move from the first one to the next one to the third one to the fourth until it find the targeted value. So it's going to search, it's going to check in the first position. If it's there, it's gonna, if it's in the first position, it's gonna stop. If it's not in the first position, it's gonna move to the next one. It's gonna move all until it finds the value. So that is how the linear search works. So what if it search and it doesn't find the value? So if it search and the value is not found, then we are gonna put in a prompt that the value is not found. So let us move to the IDE. I'm using Eclipse IDE to write out the code. Let's move to Eclipse so you can see the algorithm. Okay, welcome to the Eclipse IDE, and we're gonna write out the simple Java code that's gonna help us print out the linear. That's gonna help us search for a value using linear search. So let us import our package. And then we are going to write out a method that is going to print the index position for us. I mean, that's going to search and store the index position. So we have public static int. I like to use linear search. So we're going to pass in some values. I pass in the array of numbers. I mean, the data type int array of numbers. Then we have the size. Then we have the search value, the value we are searching using linear search. So, oops, some poor spelling. Why am I having an error right here? Let me see what's wrong. Okay, must have a return type. So we can just have say return -1. Okay. So we have so we need a loop. So for int I equals to 0, int is less than the size, int plus. So we have if the value we are searching, if the value the user enter, is equals to the search value, then we want to return the search value. So if the value the user enter is equals to is in the array, so it's gonna return the index position of that value, or else it's gonna return -1. So let's come to our main methods. I'll complete out the code. Scanner equals to new scanner system.in. So let's define a variable for array call it array, passing some numbers. And then I'm gonna declare another variable. Sorry. I'm just gonna record target value. That means that's the value that the users enter. So I'm going to print out a message as a user to enter a value to be searched. And then after the user enter the value that should be searched, so the value that the user enter will be stored in this targeted value. So we have target value equals to scan.next int. So we have stored the value that the user enter into this targeted value. So let's declare another variable known as result, which we are going to pass in this linear search. So we have linear search. That is the method that we create to search for the index position of the value that the user wants to search in the array. So we have linear search. So we pass in this array, the size and the targeted value. So we have in the array, the size is six values, and then passing target value. And then afterwards we need to print out what the user enters, and if he finds it in the array, you're going to put it on the screen. So let's use an if statement to print if the result is greater than or equals to 0. System.out.println. This is the value passing the results. And it's found at index position make our code clean. So this print statement prints the value that we are searching for, and then it prints the index position. So what if the value is not found? So else system.out.println value is not found. Let me just use number. The number you're searching for is not found. So let's go on our code and see how it looks. So for example, let's try 90. See, this is the output, this is the value 90, and it's found at index position 2. So in arrays, they start counting from 0. This is 0, 1, and 2. So you see that our code is running on correctly, everything looks good and nice. So we have say we want to search for the value 90, and he has given us that the value is 90 and it's found at index position 2. So what if the value is not in the array? Let's see what's going to happen. So run. Let's use, for example, 40. Let's see what's going to give us. See, that is it. Number is not found. So our everything looks good and everything runs smoothly. Our code has no errors. It looks good. So this is the linear search in Java. It's very easy and simple to learn and understand. Thank you.